Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study order by class. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload a new video. We have two different sorting order. One is ascending order, the second one is descending order. How we can sort data in a table in ascending or descending order. We will see that in this example. Example, select first name, salary from employees. The data is not sorted in any order. So if you want to sort this data in any order, you can use order by class. For example, select first name, salary from employees, order by class. So you can use here order by class, and again name of the column. For example, if you want to order your data using salary column, you can use the salary column name here, and then you can use the ascending or descending order. For example, if you want to order the data in ascending order, you can use the word ASC or ascending order. So here you will see this data is sorted in ascending order. As you can see here, 12,008 and again 12,008, 13,000, 13,500 and so on. And if you want to sort your data by descending order, you can use DESC or descending order instead of ascending order, and then hit enter. So the data will be sorted in descending order. 2,500, again 2,500 and 2,400, 400 and 2,400. The data is sorted in descending order. And in the same way, you can sort data in using two different columns. For example, select first name and then department ID and then salary from employees, order by department ID and salary. And you can use any ascending or descending order here. So for example, if you want to use ascending order, so here you will see the result. So first the data will be sorted using department ID column, and then it will be sorted using salary column, and the last thing is you can sort data using column alias. For example, as first name salary and then salary into 12 annual salary from employees, order by annual, ascending or descending order. For example, if you want to sort that data in descending order, you would descending order. So here is your column alias, and the data you can see here that it is sorted in descending order. 30,000, 30,000 and again 30, 28,800, again 28,800 and 26,000 and so on. So here we reached at the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you on the next one.